So I haven't washed my hair in 3-4 days, but I'm gonna do it today, and I'm gonna share my hair care routine with you guys. So if it is your hair wash day as well, then maybe you guys can follow along. So it is 2 p.m. right now as I am recording this, and I applied the coconut oil as a hair mask like 1 hour ago at 1 p.m. So that's what you might want to do to your hair as well. So that's what I usually do. I apply coconut oil around 1 hour before I'm going to wash my hair, and that kind of preps my hair for a wash and moisturizes it. So yeah, I've had it applied 1 hour ago, and I'm gonna wash my hair right now, and I'll see you once I'm done washing my hair. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and as you can see, my hair is still wet. It is not completely wet because I just towel dried it. And a quick note here, when you are towel drying your hair after a hair wash, try not to rub it too much. Try not to rub your hair too much with the towel. Instead, you should wrap it in the towel, because if you've seen my other videos, you'll know how harmful it can be to do literally anything with your hair while it is still wet. And as for the shampoo, I use this one from the brand Tresemme because I think it does a pretty good job. And I don't usually use a conditioner because I don't like it, but you guys don't have to be like me, okay? You should use a conditioner. I recommend you should use a conditioner. I'm a moron. You don't have to be, okay? So I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a while until it is completely dry, because this is like the best thing you can do for your hair while it is still wet. Do not use any heat related tools to dry your hair, okay? So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a while, and I'll see you guys after it is completely dry. Okay, so it's been over an hour now, and as you can see, my hair is completely dry. I didn't do anything to make it dry faster. I just let it take its time to dry out, and that is what I suggest you guys to do as well. Just take your time and dry it up. Do not use anything to dry it faster. As we all know, doing anything to your wet hair is basically a sin. So now that my hair is completely dry, I'm gonna comb it first and then apply some coconut oil to my scalp and some of it to the ends as well, and then I'll comb it a second time so that everything is nice and uniform all over my scalp and all over my hair. So let's just do that. Hey guys, before we continue to the video, a quick note here. If you are enjoying this video and finding out something new and useful, hit that like and subscribe button so that I know I'm doing something good for you guys and I'm successful in sharing whatever little knowledge I do have in this matter. Now a quick note here, while you're combing your hair, make sure you go from bottom to top and not the other way around, because first you need to open up any knots and ties that your hair might have in the bottom area, as this is the most damaged area of your whole hair region. So I'm gonna do just that. First, I'm gonna comb my bottom part. Just do it nicely and gently. Do not tug or pull your hair, or the damaged or dry ends are going to convert into split ends. That's something you will definitely want to avoid. Now I'm just going to go a little bit further upwards and comb. Oh man, you can see the difference here. This side is combed and this is not. You see that? Can you notice the difference here? It's drastic. So I'm gonna comb this side as well real quick. Okay, so I'm finally done combing my hair for the first time. I'm gonna do that again once I'm done applying coconut oil to my head and to my hair ends. So for coconut oil, I'm using this one from Parachute. If you're from India, you must be familiar to this thing. Just take a few drops of coconut oil and heat it a little bit before you apply it to your scalp. I'm gonna do just that, just a little, and then apply it to my scalp. I don't really focus on my mid-lengths while I'm applying oil because that doesn't require it. The only area that requires oil is either the scalp or your hair ends. So I'm applying the oil to the scalp right now, and then I'll move to the hair ends. That about does it for the scalp. Now I'm going to move towards the hair ends. So I'm gonna take a little bit more coconut oil here, maybe 4 or 5 drops. Again, heat it at once. Okay, and now such a time-consuming process, man. My hair, I'm going to like stroke the hair with a hairbrush as the final step so that it is really spread evenly throughout my hair. So I'm using this sort of hairbrush. You can use anyone you prefer. So, and now I'm pretty sure that everything is spread evenly and nicely throughout my hair and my scalp. So now I am basically done prepping my hair for the next 3-4 days until I wash it again. So yeah, that was my hair care routine. And with that being said, my name is Manoj, and I'll catch you in the next one.